Welcome to Young Living. We are so happy that you want to join us and become a brand partner. In this short video, we'll show you through the enrollment process so that you can begin your journey with us. To get started, please type www.youngliving.com into your internet browser and choose your country. You will then be forwarded to the Young Living homepage. Here you can click on the top right corner onto Become a Brand Partner, which will redirect you to the main enrollment page. As a Young Living brand partner, you get exclusive pricing and other major benefits, like being able to earn rewards and free products through our Essential Rewards program, whilst enjoying reduced shipping costs. You can also take advantage of unique promotions, receive invitations to exclusive Young Living events, and earn commissions just by sharing Young Living. Ready to sign up? Click onto Get Started and you will have the option of choosing a starter kit of your choice. Our premium starter kits include some of our most loved and most used products and are a great way to get to know our Young Living products. You can choose any starter kit you want, including the basic starter kit. If you want to get the basic starter kit, please be informed that you will have to add some additional products to your basic starter kit to reach the minimum of 50 PV, which is required for an Essential Rewards order if you do want your first order to be in the Essential Rewards program. It is not mandatory to get a starter kit with your first order, but if you do indeed find a starter kit you like, simply choose the premium starter kit by ticking the box on the top left corner. You have now completed step 1 successfully and can proceed to step 2, where you can choose to enroll into the Essential Rewards program and benefit from exclusive gifts and other bonuses that the program is offering. If you don't want to be a part of the Essential Rewards program, you can click onto No. By choosing Add More Products, you can browse through our product catalog and add items that you like through Add Product and saving your chosen items by clicking onto Checkout. When you are ready to proceed to the next page, select Next. If you do want to become an Essential Rewards member with a minimum monthly order of 50 PV, earning up to 25% back in rewards points, pay reduced shipping costs and exclusive gifts, you can click onto Yes. By clicking onto Yes, you are also agreeing to the terms and conditions of the Essential Rewards program. The system will ask you if you want a premium starter kit you just selected as your first Essential Rewards order. Should that be the case, please click onto Yes. When clicking onto No, your selected premium starter kit will be sent out as a one-time order, and your next Essential Rewards order will be the products you are choosing in step number 3. Are you ready to proceed? In step number 3, you should set up your next Essential Rewards order. You can choose from the exclusive recommended Ninja Red or Thieves Essential Rewards packs, or customize your monthly order. Simply click the button on the left side as shown. Choose your desired products and ensure you reach the Essential Rewards PV requirement of 50 PV. Happy with your selected products? Choose Save Monthly Order. Please note that you can change this selection at any time after registration in your own personal virtual office. In the case that you want more products to be sent out with your very first Young Living Premium Starter Kit, click onto Add More Products, follow the steps, and save your order by choosing Checkout. Clicking onto Next Now will forward you to the registration step. Please accept the cookies and cash by choosing Yes. On this page, you should save your personal information and other information related to your account. Ensure to fill in all the marked boxes correctly, as this is required information to create your account successfully. Once you are done, click onto Continue and fill in the next sections. As soon as everything is filled out correctly, review the entered details and check the terms and conditions. Through the Continue button, you will be forwarded to the shipping and payment page. Should you have chosen earlier to only place a one-time order and not sign up for the Essential Rewards program, you will notice that the shipping cost will be slightly higher than the shipping cost with an Essential Rewards order. You will be asked if your shipping address is the same as the main address. If this is not the case, you can change your shipping method by unticking the box. Once the address is confirmed, please choose a shipping method from the drop-down menu and press Continue. At the following stage, you have to save your payment method that will be used to pay for your order and will be saved as a preferred payment method for your Essential Rewards program. Please make sure that the payment method details are saved correctly and that the billing address matches the payment method's billing address. Should the billing address be different, you can untick the box and save the address accordingly. Once you are finished, click onto Continue. You have now reached the checkout page and are only one click away from becoming a Young Living brand partner. Please review your information and the content of your first order. If there's anything you would like to change, please feel free to click onto Back to Previous Page and make amendments where necessary. Again, if you did choose not to sign up for the Essential Rewards program, this page will look slightly different, as you can see here. Whenever you are happy to complete your registration, choose Activate and then Check Out. Congratulations! You are now officially a new brand partner with Young Living and will soon receive your very first order.